Hello and welcome back to Off the Mountain, the most behind channel in all of YouTube. But today we're gonna start chipping away at the Jag. Why? I got a few things going on here very soon, and I kind of have to get some things moved and out of the way. And there's still an engine in my truck. That's another story. We'll get that out. Engine stand is on its way. We might use the use the lift to lift it. But anyway, today we've got the Jag open, and as you can see, I've got a light here, and what we are going to do is sweep this bad boy out and see how good or how not good some things are in here, because you can see there's just stuff everywhere. So there's some carpet pulled back, there's some carpet kind of folded over the seat. There's just things going on in here. I'm not sure this carpet is factory. It might be aftermarket. And also I haven't really swept up the seats themselves. But you can see there's just a whole lot of debris everywhere. And I think it might have something to do with all the window seals not being so good. So what we're going to do today is just simply, oh man, I keep doing this. Like at some point, start the drinking game. Like, how many times am I going to do this in this series of videos? So we're gonna sweep all this up. We're gonna try to make it nice, at least nice enough, and we'll just go from there. So let's just get into it. Sucked up something. All right, not bad. Okay, this is now twice that this camera hasn't worked while I'm doing cool stuff and cleaning them. So cleaned all this. It looks great now. Cleaned all that, looks great now, and there's no time lapse of it. So thank you, GoPros. Thank you so much. I probably won't keep this steering wheel, so I'm not too worried about this, but I'm going to try anyway. Hopefully this thing's recording this time. The last three things I've done ended up not recording. The door's trying to close on me, and I'm almost out of spray. There we go. This door keeps wanting to close on me. Why? Why are you doing that to me? Let's clean it up pretty good. Yeah. Be a good backup wheel if nothing else. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. Pretty dirty. Honk honk. There's no horn on this. At least not here anyway. And I wonder if I can get, yeah, there we go. Let's get a little wipe down on that. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Not bad. Not bad. That's still attached to something. Oh, no, don't suck that up. Don't suck that up, though. Anyone want an ice scraper? It's Arctic ice. Kind of need those in Colorado. All right. Oh, I'm stuck. Stand by. I have no idea what this is to. Maybe it's like something that goes like all the way up here. Is that it? Yeah, that kind of looks like it. Ah, yes. Okay. I see what's going on there. All right, come that way. You got a part right here. Oh, that's it. It's almost right here. Okay. I don't know why there's insulation all over this car. At least it seems like insulation to me. Maybe these cars are like, maybe somebody in the comments, can you tell me like why there's all this stuff in around here? I don't know. It seems unnecessary. But how's that? Huh? I mean, other than we'll hit it with a cleaner later, with a spot cleaner. That was bad. You know, I just can't leave this as is. We're gonna see if we can't set us up a camera. We're going to clean a rod. Actually, the bottom's going to be way more interesting. So here we go. The last little bit I have of this cleaner. The last tiny bit. Let it soak for a second. Don't want it to get too far down there. All right, here we go. Oh, the door's trying to close on me. It wants me to drive it. There's nothing in there. There's nothing in there. There we go. Let's see if we can't get to the base of this guy here. Let's turn that down just a touch. There we go. There's, of course, a piece of the usuals. Just gotta throw that underneath the car. That's a future me problem. I don't know if I've said this on this channel before, but there's a concept I use quite frequently as FU future self. Future self can handle that crap. Okay, so that's gonna need some polishing, but all in all, cleaned up not too bad. Not too bad. Knowing me, I'll probably shine it up real nice. Make it real purty. But otherwise, I think that's where I'm going to end this video. Just doing a little bit at a time. Nothing too crazy. But that's shining. Shining a little bit better now. I mean, there's still bunches of scratches in it and all that good stuff. But hey, you know what? That's okay. We have a lot to do. Let's move that out of the way. And also, oops. Yeah. So let's just leave this open. Yeah. Let's just leave that open. You can see this is what happens when you don't clean one side. But the other side still looks really, really good. Anyway, and I think that's it for the day. I'm pretty happy with the way that just turned out. Again, there's scratches all over it and everything, but that's okay. You know what? That is okay. That is what we will do. And see, look, I'm going to be smart and turn off the light. See? Turn off the light this time. But thank you so much for the 490 subscribers out there. I can't believe it. 490. We're so close to 500. And I say we, like I've got like a crew of people working here. It's just me working in a garage, largely by myself. That being said, it's worth saying that this car would not be here if it wasn't for the lovely graciousness of Zach. I've trolled him on the channel a couple times. Look for the early stuff. How you summon a Zach. It's a fun one. And also Dan for borrowing his truck. We got the truck, did some things, took the truck back, and he wouldn't accept me refilling the tank on the car. So whatever, fine. But anyway, thank you so much for subscribing, like, comment. Do you like these kind of cleaning videos? Do you like, are you looking more for when we get into the big business here of everything else? I don't know. You tell me. You tell me. I honestly don't know who my subscribers are. I don't. But I would love to hear from you. Let me know, and I will talk to you all soon. There's so much work to do.